bayayidzinga bomakhelwane, bayayidzinga lofunza nabo, bayayidzinga losebenta nabo. Siyathandaza. Glory to Jesus. Labasha labathatha isinqumo sekuthi Jesu, help me to understand the mission that you have given me. Beme ngetinyawo tabo sitothandaza. Sicela ukuthi babe Siphiwo ete atothandaza. Naba labasha bathi Jesu, reveal clearly your mission empilweni yami. Angifuni kuphila ngente noma ngabe yini, kepha ngifuna kuba clear ngalokho lengithunywe kona. Mani ngetinyawo takho sitothandaza. Lo nkulunkulu wasezulwini wethembekile. Lo nkulunkulu wasezulwini udzinga abantu labatawubambelela kumission lena lasinike yona. Occupy till I come. Be in charge wherever you are. Be in control until Jesus says it's over.
Zikijimiza koso soguambisinda siholwe siho chalongesila umlilo sibe izikijimi zakho sibe Ngiyathandaza ekuseni. Likhuluma kahle futhi livla uNkulunkulu. Alikhulumi isihayi. Likhuluma nasengqondweni yethu. Kwekuthi kunedingo letifuna lisibuyisele tona. Thina kabhala Paul ngalenyanga bhala Timothy athi I pray for you have not received the spirit of fear but you have received the spirit of a well balanced mind. A sound mind le balance the spiritual with the physical. Angeke sivuse kuphela bese sesiyashoda empilweni. And we are called to occupy in all other dimensions. Ekuseni kunembiko lokuthi occupy till I come. We are not sure when is he coming, but you must occupy. But when you are going to occupy, uphetheni occupy ngani. But ekuseni ngathi ngiyeva ukuthi kunebantu abafuna banikedwe indlela abathi occupy ngayo. Noma ungasiko sho, but ekuseni ikhona into ekuseni. Ekuseni ikhona into ongayithola. Ekuseni I can assure you ikhona into ekuseni ongayithola. Oh yeah. Unento ekuseni ongayithola to occupy. Fike ngisho esikolweni ufike emsebenzini occupy. Ngiyacela basukumile labanye kodwa ngiyacela angathi bafundisi bami ngiyacela lothi inkosi ngicela ungiphe. Ngicela ungiphe into. Ngicela ungiphe into angisiko sho but ngicela salungipha le yakho. Ngoba ngifunile but angitholi. IBhayibheli likhuluma kahle na ufuza incwadi yaEs lisi kwakunemadoda la sinakafika egedeni asinakakhuluma athi imali asinayo but such is what we have. Usukuma tishosha saye esontweni hayi sesibuya khona. Outside church basum because of what we have. What do you have? If you want something, cela ugijima uthenga phambili. Singosi ngicela ungiphe. Ngicela ungiphe. Ngicela ungiphe. Ngiyacela ungiphe. Bafundisi bathawuthi abatawuthandaza. Bobabe la ngembili bathawuthi abatawuthandaza. Ngicela